Okay, here we go. Today is the day for the engine start.
What day is it, Dad? Come on, we've got to say what days it is.
It is the 27th of November 2016. Right.
27th of November 2016.
Right, go on Benji.
So I just twist it and then...
I'll come over here. In the picture.
So
Go on then.
twist it.
Start it up. Go on. You let go of the key, okay? So just turn it and let go of it, okay?
What?
Ready? Try it again. When it catches, you let go of the key.
I just let go of it.
Okay, ready?
So
Go on then.
You should... Oh.
Turn it. When it starts,
Yeah.
you just let go of the key. Okay, ready? Perfect.
Woo!
Right. And that is a successful engine start.
And an amazing sound. What engine is it, Dad?
It's 8 litre.